With a upward motion, pull up. Make sure your little wire for the tweeter is hanging out because you don't want it falling down. And then you're going to have three bolts, three 10mm bolts. One here, one behind this cover here. Let's pop this up right here. Reveal your bolt. Your bolt is going to be, pop this out, pull this up. It's rubber, so don't worry about it ripping or anything like that. Then your second bolt is going to be here. And then your third bolt is going to be right behind the panel here. Pop this up. Literally right behind the panel. So you don't really have to take the panel off. You can save yourself some time. All you gotta do is just pull the pop clips. That's here. There's one here, here, and here. So just pull. And then that will give you access to the third bolt that's right there. Right? And then, before you do continue, there is the antennas. That's right here and here, the wiring for it right here. Use a popper to pop those three. Probably should show you that, right? Okay. So pop this guy out, this antenna out, and this wiring plug out. Pop that. Pop that. All right. Now, go ahead and loosen your bolts. Oh, forgot one thing. There's a clip holding the wire to the door. So pop that out so you can have room to get to that bolt. And also you can pull the wire up so you can unplug those wires that we popped out. All right, now I got this wire loose. It was popped to the door right here. Just pull the wire up so you can have access to the antenna and also the plug. The driver's side has two antenna plugs, and of course you have the regular power and everything else. Push the thing in, pop it out. Make sure you put some grease somewhere. You could reach it again. I'm gonna go put it out. Then press here to pop this guy out. Boom, beam, bada boom. So this is ready to go. Then go ahead and remove the last remaining bolt, which is the one that's here. All right, here we go. This is probably easier if you had a wrench that had a ratchet kind of built in, so you can kind of. So now you got all three bolts out. All your wiring and stuff is unplugged. Make sure you have that somewhere, right here. And just literally pull everything out. A little wiggle. And you're free to go. So the passenger side has just one antenna plug, and then the power wire, everything else here, push clip here. Do a little focus here. Push clip here, and then you have a little push thing here. And that's pretty much it. In order for you to put these back in, there is these little tongues right here. There's one here, and then there's another one here. So it has to go in this groove right here. Just pick this up a little bit so the little tongue can go in the groove so it can lock in place. So let's start with this side. Boom, just pick it up a little bit and get into the groove. And this one is pick it up a little bit, put it into the groove, and boom, voila. That easy. Right now you can close your door and not have any problems.